For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar has come out to help Nashik City Police and prevent them from the virus. The actor launched a centralized online health system to track the health and fitness for the police officers. The platform also provides vital health-related information to every police personnel. Earlier, Akshay has provided PPE kits to Mumbai cops and wristbands to keep them safe and has also donated in PM Cares Fund. Veteran actor Shakti Kapoor and his daughter Shraddha Kapoor won't resume shooting immediately. In a recent interview, the actor said he will not go out and work for now, nor will he allow his daughter Shraddha to resume work. The actor added that he doesn't think the threat is gone. I know work is important, but not at the cost of one's life. Bollywood actor Siddharth Malhotra recently extended his helping hand to the people in need. The actor extended financial support to over 200 Bollywood dancers, who have now decided to thank him for his kind gesture with a special video. Creating a mix of Siddharth Malhotra's famous songs such as Kala Chashma, Khadke Glassy and Kar Gayi Chul, several dancers shot clips at home and then collaborated on a thank you video dedicated to him. Bollywood diva Sonam Kapoor shared a throwback picture of her where the actor was seen posing with a book during bedtime. Sharing her childhood picture on Instagram, the actor wrote, "Nothing has changed since then. Once a bookworm, always a bookworm." Bollywood actress Sara Ali Khan shared a set of pictures from her 2018 film Kedarnath. In one of the pictures, Sara can be seen sitting pretty with mountains in the backdrop, while in the second shot, the 24-year-old actress can be seen wearing a dress and puffer jacket as she gets her hair styled. The third photograph appears to be from an action sequence as Sara's face is covered with a lot of paint. She hilariously captioned the post, "Expectation, reality in 2020. Deepika Chikliya has shared a scary anecdote from the time when she shot a Ramayan scene with a fat snake sitting on the tree where they were filming. Taking to Instagram, the actor wrote, "After the scene got over, our cameraman Ajit Nayak came to tell us, please vacate the place and don't stand underneath the tree. And we were wondering, all the three actors, as to what was the hurry and why so abrupt. Then he pointed out to a huge fat snake on the tree. And what followed after that was we all ran for our life." Varun Dhawan on Friday wished his mom Karuna Dhawan in the sweetest and the most special way possible on social media. The actor shared a family photograph on his Instagram profile and wrote, "Happy birthday, Ma. The strongest person I know. From making furniture, being a nursery teacher, taking us on bus rides for sports practice, and making me take my first acting workshop to so much more. You truly are the one." Like most other Bollywood celebrities, actor Kartik Aaryan also took up the Gulabo Sitabo tongue twister challenge but ended up in a rather sweet banter with his family. The actor posted a video of his Gulabo Sitabo tongue twister challenge on Instagram. As the video began, Aaryan was seen repeating the tongue twister only to get interrupted by his mother, who asked him to stop and said, "The internet is already full of such tongue twister videos." Actor Kunal Khemu shared a quirky post with his fans. Taking to Instagram, the actor wrote, "Homemade or home mad?" The actor introduced himself as Rakshesh Rambo, a social media influencer.